Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shormila Pandey. My topic of presentation is plants as natural immune booster. So now I am going to talk about it. The ancient medical science had stated long ago that plant extracts could do a lot to strengthen the body. For centuries, people have relied on herbs and other plants for treating medical conditions and boosting immunity naturally. Over 80% of the Earth's population depends on plants that increase immunity and promote healing. Herbal plants that boost our immune system stimulate the activity of cells responsible for fighting viral infections, bacteria, abnormal cells, and keep us healthy. These properties shown by the plants are due to the chemicals present in them. Like in different herbs, different kind of phytochemicals have been found, such as flavonoids, carotenes, lignans, and many more. These natural immune boosters are an important tool even in our current war against coronavirus infection. Now uh, talk I will explain the word immunity in brief, that what is immunity or immune system. Now immune system is body's defense system against any kind of infections, and immunity is the ability of an organism to prevent any form of infection by increasing the white blood cells to fight against viruses, bacteria, etc. Two main types of immunity are innate immunity and adaptive or acquired immunity. Now, innate immunity is a natural or general protection, that is, our own immune system is responsible for protecting us from a pathogen or from any infections or diseases. And the adaptive or acquired immunity occurs when we are protected from a pathogen by a immunity gained from somewhere else or by receiving antibodies from somewhere else. Next, next we will see in short how plants can help immune system. Plants are rich in flavonoids, vitamin C or the carotenoids, so can enhance immune function. And the flavonoid rich herbs may also have beneficial effects as an anti inflammatory and as an immune stimulant action. It can promote the activity of lymphocytes or white blood cells and increase the phagocytosis process. Now phagocytosis process is a process which is used by phagocytes, that is a type of white blood cell, to engulf bacteria, foreign particles, and dying cells to protect the body. For example, garlic is one of the most remarkable plants that can affect strongly on immune system. Due to the presence of high concentration of sulfur in garlic, it can preserve the homeostasis of immune functions. So next I will discuss about some plants which are very effective to increase immunity. Here are three very common Indian plants which I will discuss in short. Firstly, ashwagandha, whose scientific name is Vedania somnifera, commonly known as Indian ginseng, and is widely recognized for increasing the first line defense cells of our body. That means the cells responsible for increasing immunity. This ancient herb, ashwagandha, is used for more than 5000 years in the practice of Ayurveda medicine, that is our traditional system of medicine, as it can increase the count of white blood cells. It is rich in alkaloids, steroidal lactones, also called vithanolides. So, uh, besides for immunity boosting, the extracts of powder of its root and leaves help to reduce stress hormones, blood sugar level, cholesterol level, etc. Secondly, amla or Indian gooseberry, whose scientific name is Phyllanthus emblica, one of the main ingredients in Chyawanprash, an Ayurvedic concoction to boost immunity, as it is full of antioxidants, vitamin C. Not only this, due to the presence of beta carotene in amla, it plays a vital role in fighting free radical activity. It also aids in improving digestion, enabling that the food is taken more effectively, and also helps to detoxify the entire organ system. for better health and immunity. The third one is neem. Our scientific name is Azadirachta indica, also known as miracle herb. It's used for centuries in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. It is an immunomodulator, that is, it supports the innate immune system ability to self regulate. Neem has the ability to fight against viruses, fungus, bacteria. Every part of this tree, including bark, leaves, fruit, are used for medicinal purposes, like to regulate blood sugar levels, diabetes, and many more. So, uh, there are many other plants except these three, neem, ashwagandha, and neem, that is turmeric, ginger, tulsi, etc. So now I will discuss about a Chinese herb, milk witch, whose scientific name is Astragalus. It is an adaptogenic herb, that means it is able to change their function depending on the specific needs of the body, and it is prescribed for centuries for general weakness, chronic illness. This miracle herb is highly regarded as an immune tonic. It restores, strengthens, and balances body's immune response by increasing white blood cells, as it has lot of natural antibiotic properties. Its root is also very effective and simply taken as a decoction. Thus, it protects the immune system from major attacks, increases the resistance to them, and makes it smarter and stronger at handling foreign particles. It also helps to reduce stress, sleep issues, heart problems, etc. Next, a North American herb, purple coneflower, whose scientific name is Echinacea. It's a group of flowering plants used as a popular herbal remedy and one of the most popular herbs worldwide. Both the plant's upper parts and roots are used as immune stimulating compound in tablets, extracts, teas, etc. This plant contains an impressive variety of active compounds such as caffeic acids, alkamides, phenolic acids, and many more. Some of these compounds have antimicrobial and antiviral properties, while others may stimulate the immune system. Phenolic compounds in echinacea seem to work in combination to produce the immune enhancing effects. Beside this, it also helps to reduce inflammation, blood sugar level, feeling of anxiety, even may offer protection against cancer. So before I end this topic, I will say people with low immunity are more prone for any kind of disease or infections, even for this situation of coronavirus infection. To help or boost the immunity, plants or plant based foods play a vital role by promoting beneficial bacteria in the body. We get many essential micronutrients like zinc, magnesium, vitamins from them, and very crucial micronutrients are used in DNA synthesis and cell proliferation, which regulate innate and adaptive immune responses. Green vegetables like broccoli, mushrooms, etc. few immunity boosters that improve immune system of older people quite rapidly. Now, in our current war, that is COVID-19, is revealing the urgency of improving immunity and the power of plants or plant-based food to protect us. The traditional herbal medicines of the indigenous people offer lessons for our present and future, as it has fewer side effects, easier to obtain, cost effective, and many more advantages, also very effective for boosting immunity. That is all.